Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss two very important concepts in research: hypothesis and research method. These concepts are the foundation of any research study. By the end of this video, you will understand how a hypothesis is formed and how the research process is carried out step by step. So let's begin. A hypothesis is an educated guess or prediction about what you think will happen in your research. It is based on observation, previous knowledge, or logical reasoning. It usually answers the question, what do I expect to find in my research? So let's take an example. If you're researching whether studying regularly improves academic performance, your hypothesis could be students who study every day will achieve higher grades than students who study only once a week. This is not a confirmed answer. It is something you will test during your research. The research begins with identifying a problem. A problem is something that needs to be understood, explained, or improved. Students in a school are not performing well in exam. This becomes your research problem. The third part is research or background study. Next, you collect information about your problem. This includes reading books, articles, reports, and previous studies. The purpose of this step is to understand what researchers have already discovered, what gaps still exist, what knowledge is missing. This helps you refine your research direction. Number fourth is interview or inquiry. In this step, you interact with people to gather real opinions and experiences. This may involve interviews, questionnaires, surveys. Interview teachers to ask why they think students are not studying regularly. This helps you gain first-hand information. Number fifth is data collection. Data collection means gathering measurable information for your study. This can include survey results, interviews responses, observation notes, test scores, photographs, or recording. Record how many hours each student studies and compare their grades. This data will allow you to test your hypothesis. Number six is analysis. In this step, you examine and interpret the data. You look for relationship, patterns, and result. For example, if students who study daily scored higher, your hypothesis is supported. If not, the hypothesis is rejected. Analysis help you answer your research question. Number seventh is case study. A case study is a detailed examination of one specific example to understand the situation deeply. Analyze one student's improvement after changing their study habits. This helps explain results with real life evidence. Number 8 is implementation. This step involves applying your findings in real situation, encouraging all students to follow a daily study routine because the research proved it is effective. Number 9 is conclusion. The conclusion summarizes your research and gives a final answer to your research question. You state whether your hypothesis was supported or not supported. You also briefly explain why. Example, my research shows that regular study habits significantly improves academic performance. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to request more research and academic topics in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.